That's it. So a bee can bring only 2 of those at a time. And so it makes you appreciate how much they have to be working to bring so much pollen and how much effort they're putting into it to bring it into the hive. That's our pollen traps that we built. The bees, we make 2 entrances for them, one at the bottom, one in the middle. And so that way when they go in, they have to go through 2 different meshes. And the little tubes is where they come out. The amazing thing about the pollen, like the difference in color, you'll be going through the same bee yard, you'll open one pollen trap and it's all one color. It'll be all dark gray coming from blackberries. And you open a hive that's sitting right next to it and it'll be yellow, red, purple, all mixed together. And so you cannot direct the bees which pollen to collect, which flower to go to. They find one and that's the one they go for. And so that's why there's such a difference in color. It's just from whatever plants they find first, and that's what they start collecting from. And yeah, that's what makes the different colors in pollen. The bright yellow one early in the spring. So if the weather's nice, like in April, we get the bright yellow one, and that's all the dandelions that are blooming in the very beginning. So they collect that from there. They start bringing in a lot of dark orange, reddish color pollen. They bring purple pollen, not a lot, but they bring like purplish pollen. And then another bee yard I came from yesterday, they start bringing like very, very light pink, and then pink color and purple color, which is, I mean, mind blowing. I've never seen that before. So I don't know what's blooming there. So they could be bringing something from inside the forest that other spots are not producing. You don't put a pollen trap until their second deep is almost full of bees. So by then they brought already a lot of pollen for themselves, and they're all set on pollen, so they're good to go. And that way, when we put a pollen trap, they already have plenty of pollen inside. And so that way, they can still feed their young. Hello, my name is Arthur. I'm the beekeeper who collected the pollen you're about to enjoy. We love partnering with Artist Harvest because they excel at transparency and connecting customers like you directly to farmers like me. I'm here along with my hives in Willamette River, Oregon. The pollen is unique because we let the bees forage on a diversity of plants, meaning you get a huge variety of pollen, which you can see here in this rainbow of color. You can sprinkle it on yogurt, use it in smoothies, or my favorite, just start your day with a couple spoonfuls. I know you're gonna love it.